how to refund Wizz Air plane tickets. Now, there are tons or multiple scenarios in which you can go ahead and process or have a request of refund on the booked of your flight using the Wizz Air app. Now, what you want to do, if in case you have booked a flight and there are certain scenarios in which your flight was canceled and your boarding was denied, or the claims and compensation, and so on and so forth. If these reasons are legitimate and proven or confirmed that your flight was totally canceled without you canceling by its own, then you can just have a request of a refund to get that fund that you paid for your plane ticket. So say for example, you will ask for a refund. There are three things that you can go ahead and what to expect for you to be able to get that fund out from Wiz. So refund initiation is actually from the customer service on Wizz Air. So voluntary cancellation, cancellation by Wizz Air, delays of over 5 hours or overnight, deny boarding, death of a family member. Now, refund waiting time is actually can take up to 48 hours for Wizz Air credits and 30 days for claims. Now, if you booked your flight from a third-party services, then Wizz Air is actually out of this scenario right here. What you want to do from that is to contact the provider directly or any agencies where you purchased the ticket with for you to be able to get that refund. So those are the keys and the things that you can do for you to be able to get the refund from your Wizz Air flight ticket.